She didn't raise her voice. She didn't dominate the conversation. She said one sentence and the whole room leaned in. Let me give you an example of how that happened and how you can do the same. Most people think sounding confident means talking more, filling the silence, saying things just to stay visible. But the truth is, the most confident communicators often say the least on purpose. In this video, I'll show you how to just have one sentence that can make an impact and give you 3 tools you can use today to speak with calm, clear confidence. Let me give you a scenario. There's a team meeting happening, about 12 people in the room. Everyone's throwing out ideas in this team meeting, trying to impress the manager, thinking fast, trying to sound smart. It's loud and honestly, kind of messy. Then there's one person who hadn't said a single word the entire time, waits for a pause, leans in, and then says, "I think we're solving the wrong problem." The room goes silent. People stop talking, heads turn. The manager literally stops writing and says, "Say more of that." That one sentence shifted the entire direction of the conversation. They didn't need to compete. They didn't need to over-explain. They simply observed, waited, and then spoke with intention. That's real confidence. Point number 1. Wait for the right moment. You don't have to be the first one to speak. You don't even have to speak often. But when you do, make it count. Sometimes the most impactful communicators are the ones that wait until people are actually ready to listen. See, pausing before you speak gives your words weight. Confidence isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet and perfectly timed. Point number 2, say less, mean more. You don't need an entire paragraph to make a single point, but instead try this. Before your next meeting or conversation, ask yourself, what's that one thing that actually matters here? And then just say that. One line, no fluff, no filler. It's short, intentional sentences which are powerful. They show clarity, they build trust, and they cut through the noise. Point number 3, end with strength. Here's something confident people do really well. They don't trail off. They don't over-explain. They say what they need to say and then they stop. That silence after your point, that's when people actually hear it. Let the room breathe a little bit. Let your message land. Let's bring it all together. 3 things to remember. Wait for the right moment. Say less, but mean more. End with strength. That's how one sentence can shift the entire room. You don't need to talk more to be heard. You just need to speak with purpose. Comment below. Have you ever seen someone do this? Or have you tried this yourself? Subscribe to Speak Up Daily for weekly tips on confident communication. Let's help the world hear you clearly and confidently.